The human brain is a complex organ that requires proper nutrition to function optimally. Just as our bodies need the right fuel to perform well, our brains also benefit from a well-balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Incorporating specific foods into your daily meals can contribute to cognitive function, memory retention, and overall brain health. In this video, we will explore some of the top foods that nourish the brain and support mental well-being. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, trout, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in building and maintaining the structure of brain cells. They have been linked to improved cognitive function, reduced age-related cognitive decline, and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. These tiny berries also contain anthocyanins, compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, contributing to a healthier brain. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse, containing high levels of antioxidants and vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that is densely packed into brain cells. Additionally, broccoli is rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which may have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, all of which are vital for brain function. Magnesium, in particular, plays a key role in learning and memory. These seeds also contain antioxidants and a rich supply of fatty acids, promoting overall brain health. 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, with a high cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. These compounds can enhance memory and learning while providing a temporary boost in cognitive function. However, moderation is key, as excessive sugar intake can counteract the positive effects. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that provides choline, a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for mood and memory regulation. Eggs also contain antioxidants, vitamins B6 and B12, and folate, all of which contribute to a healthy brain. 7. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, which support healthy blood flow, and potassium, which helps maintain proper nerve function. They also contain vitamins E, C, and B, along with folate, contributing to overall brain health. 8. Nuts. Nuts, such as walnuts and almonds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These components can support cognitive function and protect the brain from oxidative stress. Walnuts, in particular, have high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid linked to improved cognitive performance. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet is a proactive way to support cognitive function, enhance memory, and promote overall brain health. Remember that a well-balanced diet, along with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management, is crucial for maintaining a healthy mind. By making mindful choices in your daily nutrition, you can nourish your brain and contribute to a sharper, more resilient cognitive function throughout your life.